Monolithic switching regulator. In µA78S405 consists of a temperature component voltage reference duty cycle constable with an active and current limiting circuit, a high gain comparator, a high current high voltage output switch, a power switching diodes and uncommitted op-amp. Important features of an MA78S40 switching regulators are step up, down and inverting amplifier. Operation from a 2.5 to 40 voltage input. The internal switching frequency is set by the timing of a capacitor C. The switching frequency and the duty cycle can be modified as the current limit. Comparator modifies the off time and the output of the switch 1 and 2 in the step up and the step down modes. The non-inverting input pins 9 1.3 voltage pin 8 and the inverting input pin 10 is connected to the output terminal. The functional block diagram of an microampere 78S40 is here. This is the pin diagram, which can be a driver collector, switch collector, voltage source, timing capacitor and non-inverting input, inverting input, all the things, reference voltage input, non-inverting, all are connected with an op-amp. 7654 is connected with an op-amp. 8 is an reference voltage, 1 and 2 is an diode, and 3 to 15 16 is interlinked with the transistor switching. This is the functional block diagram. In inverting mode, the non-inverting input connected to the both voltage references, the terminal to the two resistors, the inverting terminal to the connected ground. In the low state of an comparator, it turns on the output switching transistor. That means that the long comparator output low system is in off time. As the input current rises or the input voltage falls, the off time of the system decreases. The current limit is activated when a 330 millivoltage potential appears. When the peak current is reached, the current limit is turned on. Forward, the voltage drop Vd across the internal power diode issued that determine the value of an inductor L of time and the efficiency of the switching register. Step down switching register. C is timing the capacitor which decides the switching frequency. RSC in the current sensing resistance. The value is given by RSC 330 microvoltage. The non-inverting terminal of the input output pin 9 is connected to the 1.3 V reference pin 8. The resistance R1 and R2 from the potential divider across the output voltage V0. Their value should be such that the potential at the inverting input of the op-amp should be equivalent 1.3 V reference when V0 is at the desired value. This is the step down converter. Use external rectifier to increase the efficiency. Step up switching, inverting switching regulator.